Hi all. Welcome to Aruru Naturals. Today, we'll uncover the wonderful benefits of Bhringraj for your hair. Are you struggling with hair loss or dull hair? You're not alone. Many people face these challenges. That's where Bhringraj comes in. Bhringraj, also known as Ecliptha alba, is a powerful herb. It has been used in Ayurveda for centuries. This herb promotes hair growth and strengthens your locks. Let's break down how Bhringraj works step by step. First, it nourishes your hair follicles. Second, it enhances blood circulation in the scalp. Third, it prevents premature graying. Lastly, it adds shine and softness to your hair. Using Bhringraj is simple. You can apply its oil directly to your scalp. Alternatively, mix Bhringraj powder into your favorite hair mask. For example, blending Bhringraj powder with yogurt creates a nourishing hair mask. Apply it weekly for best results. In summary, Bhringraj is a natural solution for your hair concerns. It nurtures your hair, boosts growth, and improves overall health. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Aruru Naturals for more natural beauty tips.